Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about chlorophyll and photosynthesis. Chlorophyll and photosynthesis. In a house, one of the scientists one of the scientists experiment on photosynthesis. He discovered only green parts of plants prepare food materials. And that means each plant has green color pigments. In a house, experiment on photosynthesis, he proposed that all green parts of plant to prepare food materials by the process of photosynthesis. That is called, he discovered all green parts of plant to prepare food materials. Indian House proposed this one. Next onwards, 4 decades later, 1817, 4 decades later, 1817, two scientists discovered Peltier and Caveciu. Peltier and Caveciu discovered that the green parts of plant pigment is called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. Indian House proposed that green parts of plant to carry out photosynthesis. Later, 4 decades later, 1817, Peltier and Caveciu discovered chlorophyll pigment. This is about one of the pigment involvement of the photosynthesis. Next, 1883, 6 decades later, Peltier and Caveciu. Chlorophyll pigment not entire of the cell. This pigment only some organelles are called chloroplast. Chloroplast discovered Julius von Schach. 1870, two scientists, Peltier and Caveciu, discovered that pigment is called chlorophyll. 6 decades later, in 1883, this pigment present not entire of the cell, only present cell organelles are called chloroplast. Each cell contains chloroplasts are 40 to 100. In each cell contain chloroplast. Chloroplast present in each cell 40 to 100 only. Where is the chloroplast present? Photosynthesis, where is take place? Where is the photosynthesis take place? Leaf. That means green color leaf. The previous class, in 9th class, study about chloroplast. Today we will discuss about TS of leaf. transfer section of leaf. TS of leaf. Transfer section of leaf. This is the leaf. Transfer section means this part. This is the TS of leaf diagram. This is the upper epidermis, upper epidermis, upper epidermis, epidermis. This is the lower epidermis, upper epidermis, lower epidermis covered by cuticle, covered by cuticle, covered by cuticle. This is the cuticle. Upper epidermis, lower epidermis consist one tissue is called mesophyll tissue. Mesophyll tissue. Mesophyll tissue. Upper epidermis, lower epidermis consisting tissue is called mesophyll tissue. Mesophyll tissue two types. One is palazoid parenchyma, palazoid parenchyma, spongy parenchyma. Spongy parenchyma. This is the palazoid parenchyma. This is the spongy parenchyma. What are the difference between palazoid parenchyma, spongy parenchyma? Palazoid parenchyma tissue is systematic arrangement, systematic row, and more photosynthetic activity occur in this palazoid parenchyma. Spongy parenchyma arrangement of irregular and air chambers, less photosynthetic activity in this tissue. This is the main difference between palazoid parenchyma and spongy parenchyma. Next, this that area, this is called vesicular bundles. Vesicular bundles two types. One is xylem. One is xylem tissue. Second one is phloem tissue. Phloem tissue. Xylem tissue to transport water. Phloem tissue to transport food materials. This is about TS of leaf. Today our work is write an account of TS of leaf.